Hi, happy quarantine. Hopefully everybody is at home safe. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to make a Quaran-Tini, one of many. So you start with your ice. I did just wash my hands. And then you take your tequila, whatever kind you want, and ounce and a half, depending on how you're handling the quarantine. Okay, and then you take your Fustini's mango white balsamic vinegar and you just throw in, definitely preference, but about anywhere between a teaspoon and half a tablespoon. And then you just top it off with your sparkling peach flavored water. And put a little clementine garnish on there. Your metal straw because we love the earth. And cheers. Oh, that's actually really good. Okay, bye.